we're here for another episode of The Pitch, and this time we'll be covering some really exciting news for both USADA and sport involving the Horseracing Integrity and Safety Act. This might be a new term for a lot of folks who follow USADA, but our guest today is USADA Chief Science Officer, Dr. Matt Fedoruk, and he'll be able to provide a really high-level overview of the act to get everyone up to date on this new anti-doping initiative. So Matt, thanks for joining us.
Hey Avery, it's great to be back on The Pitch. Thanks for having me.
We're always happy to have you, one of our resident experts. So let's start with the basics here. What is the Horseracing Integrity and Safety Act?
Yeah, this bill or legislation really for the first time establishes a new authority called the Horseracing Integrity and Safety Authority. And this authority, importantly, is independent, it's private, not for profit, and has the responsibility for developing and administering a robust, uniform, and national anti-doping and medication program throughout thoroughbred horse racing that ensures a safe and level playing field for the sport.
Awesome. So when and why did this legislation come about?
Yeah, great question. And this legislation has been talked about, and the idea has been talked about for almost a decade. And it's great to see such a large amount of support right now from the industry and legislators alike. Because there are differing rules among all the various state jurisdictions, there's really a clear need for a uniform set of national rules to protect horses and have that independent oversight of the anti-doping and medication control program. And this is really just like what's been working with the Olympic and Paralympic human athletes. It's a truly independent body, free from real or perceived conflicts of interest. And its job is to further protect the sport of horse racing and its athletes, in this case, horses and humans. And it's great to see that this bill is endorsed by such a large segment of the horse racing industry.
So what's still required to see it enacted?
Yeah, many in the industry have been calling for this for many years. And we've seen recently with the unfortunate rashes of deaths in California and then the recent indictments showing a really dangerous and dark underbelly of the sport, and doping is prevalent in horses just like in humans. This has really robbed fans of the enjoyment from the sport, and the moment is really now. So it seems like Congress is headed in the direction by the end of the year.
Awesome. And what happens after that?
Well, that's when things get super exciting for USADA and those involved. And pardon the pun, but it's really off to the races when it comes to setting up this new authority and modeling the program to have it implemented within 12 months or so of the passage of the bill. And we all at USADA are really excited about potentially embarking on this new challenge.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thanks for all the great information, Matt. We'll keep everyone updated on the Horseracing Integrity and Safety Act. But in the meantime, it's great to see support growing for independent and robust anti-doping programs. So let us know if you have any questions out there, and stay tuned for the next episode of the USADA Pitch.